What happened to Moses? We just read 2 days back that he came out and he saw Egyptian treating his fellow Jew in such a way that he went and caught him and twisted his neck and killed him and buried him. The following day he went back and there were two of his own Jews who were fighting. And he told the fellow who was doing wrong, "Why are you doing that?" He says, "Who appointed you as judge over me?" Then he got so frightened and he began to say, "Arey, what I did was wrong, though I thought it was the right thing to do." And then he got frightened and he ran away to Midian. And that's where now he is. And he's saying, "Okay, here, no khatpat, I'm here." And Jethro, his father-in-law, looking after sheep. And now, all of a sudden, he starts wandering to the west side of it. And there he sees this miracle. He sees a bush burning, but it's not burning. You say, what is this curious thing? He goes a little closer and he has an encounter with God. Now, when God tells him, "You got to go back to Pharaoh," his guilt is working on him. Say, "I can't go." See how guilt prevents us from doing what then God will want us to do. It just blocks us. And then we do not know how to get out of it.